Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be talking about subtracting a 10 and a 100 mentally. Mentally just means doing the math in your head. So we have the number 234. We have a 2 in the hundreds place, which is why we have two 100 flats here. We have a 3 in the tens place, which is why we have three 10 rods here. That 3 is also 30. We have a 4 in the ones place, so we have four ones cubes here. Now, when we subtract a 10, the digits in the tens place goes down by 1. There is a 3 in my tens place. Now, when we subtract a 10, like I just said, the digit in the tens place goes down by 1. So 3 minus 1, I can do that in my head, and I know you can too. 3 minus 1 is 2, which makes 234 minus 10, 224. The digits in the hundreds and ones place did not change. The only digit that changed was a digit in the tens place. We subtracted a 10. We got rid of one of these tens, and now we have 224. Now, if I have 234 minus 100, I look at the number in my hundreds place, which is 2. When I subtract in 100, the number in the hundreds place goes down by 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, which makes 234 minus 100, 134. The only number that changed was the digit in the hundreds place. It went down by 1. We got rid of one of these 100 flats. Okay. Now, sometimes when you subtract a 10, the digit in the tens and hundreds place will change. So let's look. I have 300 minus 10. Down here I have 100 flats, 100, 200, 300. In these 100 flats, there are 10 rods each. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. Okay, so 300 is made up of 30 tens. 30 tens minus 1 10, if I cross one out, or if I do it in my head, 30 tens minus 1 10, it's 29 tens, which is really 290. So if we look, the digit in the hundreds place and tens place changed here as we got rid of one of these tens. Let's look at another example. 200 minus 10. 200 is made up of 20 tens. There are 20 tens here. 20 tens minus 1 10 is 19 tens, which is really 190. If we get rid of one of these tens, there are 19 left, or 190. So again, the digits in the hundred place and the digit in the tens place change. That's only sometimes though. Okay, so today you are subtracting tens and hundreds mentally, which means in your head. Remember, when you subtract a 10, like in this first example, the digit in the tens place goes down by 1. When you're subtracting 100, the digit in the hundreds place goes down by 1. And sometimes the digits in the tens place and the hundreds place will change.